Hey, this is Canon Vickery. Spell it out real quick. This is activity 2-4, not 74, 4. What is it? It's testing a doing group policy management. So get out of this. So right now I'm starting at my 411 server 1. Sorry, I'm stuck on last turn. And our Windows 8, I already have it all set up, configured. And once this starts, we'll get in. So group policy management is a way to you can add computers to this group policy, and the administrator of this group policy, it can like force out an update. Just like an example would be like if you're using a Windows server, server, I don't know what you'd call it, a Windows update server. That's what I'm looking for. You'd use group policy management to push updates out to all the other computers, because you don't want every computer to update on its own, because it can just mess up things, and it's also kind of a security risk if you do that. So you want to set up a Windows update server, and that's one of the other that's my 411 server 2, I believe, is where I set that up at. I don't know, it's one of these two. And so now, actually, I think it might be server 1 now that I think about it. But yeah, anyways, yeah, so we're going to be setting up our group policy management from these computers. So go ahead and sign on with our password, and sign in as administrator using the uppercase P and then lowercase password and then an 01 at the end. So now we'll give it a second. We're going to wait for our server manager to pop up. Give it a second, and then when it pops up, we're going to want to go into our tools and group policy management. It's going to be top right. We'll go ahead and just fully extend this. That's not what I want. Whoops, wrong button. Server 1, and to hide this, I saw it at one point. Huh. Strange. Well, we'll just look at it like this for a second. I don't know why I can't remember how to. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's what I was needing. All right. Tools, group management policy. Give it a second. Here it comes up. Now, the left pane here, we're gonna open this up. We're gonna expand domains. And we're going to expand this domain here that we set up earlier. We're going to right click our group policy objects. We're going to click new. So we're going to be getting a new group policy. We're going to call this WSUS desktops. So this is okay. Now, let's see, we just created this. We're going to right click, we're going to go to edit. Now, while we're editing this, we're going to go to computer configurations, policies, administrative templates, Windows components, Windows update. That's going to be down here at the bottom. We're going to have to move this out some. There we go. Let's go move it back in so we can see the screen here better. If I can. Maybe I won't if I can't actually find it again. Oh, almost got it. Whatever. Hey, let's just do this side. Bam. Problem solved. Alright. So Windows Update. So now on the right pane, we're going to go to East Client Side Targeting. East. Where to get East from? Enable Client Side Targeting. Whoops. So we'll just double click that, and it opens up this other little tab here. We're going to click Enable, straight here. And then on our target group name, we're going to type desktops. And this is something that we set up earlier. A lot of these were set up in earlier activities. um, which is the name of the group we created. Yeah, it's the name of the group of the activity we set up in 2.3. So let's just hit OK. To see here, it's enabled now. So now we need to double click configure automatic updates here. Gonna click enable. Default option 3, auto download and notify for install. That's what we want. And because we don't want it to because we aren't configuring it to install updates automatically, we don't configure a scheduled day or anything like that. So we don't need to worry about that. Like option 4 is auto download and install and schedule the install. But that would be a better choice if we were having it just automatically do it, but in this case we're not. So we're just going to go with the default option. So go ahead and hit OK. Next thing we're going to want to go to is specify Interact Microsoft Update Service location. So right here. And we'll go to enable it, and then in the options, let's see, it's going to be HTTP. What is that? I can't remember the no, is it colon? I don't think it's colon. Hold on, the double dots. Forward slash. What is it? // 411 server 2. Those double dots. 8530. We're gonna put this in both of our boxes here. We'll hit OK. Next thing, we're going to want to link a GPU to an OU containing the target computer accounts. So we're going to go ahead and open up our Active Directory users and computers. And we're going to create an OU organizational unit named desktops. Here it is. We're going to move this into here. Yes. So now on our desktops, here's our Windows 8. Create a folder. A new folder. New shared folder? Let's see. Oh, no. New user. That's what I was just confused there, sorry. Windows 8 user. The login name. Win 8. Let's see. Sorry, I keep losing my spot. Win 8 user. And the password. I'm just gonna ask you for a password, right? Yes. With a password of password 01. We don't want it to change at next login. User can never change. Password never expires. And we'll hit next. And then we'll finish it. So we'll go ahead and close out of this. Now we need to open up our group policy management. We'll right click. You find desktops. Which desktop? Damn. That's not what I wanted. Sorry. I don't want that. I feel like... I wonder if that needs to refresh or something. I just feel like something's not popping up that should... Oh, great. No. Cancel. I didn't want that. Group policy management. Main sites, group policy policy. Open up group policy management and then right click the desktop. So yeah. I think this is what I'm looking for. Link, yep, this is it. Link an existing GPO. In the select GPO box, click the WSUS desktop and click OK. Alright, now that's linked. Alright, so now, we'll go ahead and exit out of that real quick. I need to come up to here, and I need to... Oh, don't freeze now. Other user, I need to log in as, what is it, Win8 user password 01. Hopefully this works. Awesome. Had some problems in the past with that not working how it was supposed to, so. And it's gonna set some things up. I think this process actually takes a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pause the video while it goes. Oh, great. Alright, it's back, it's done. Go to full screen this up again. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna click our start system. I'm still not very familiar. We're gonna do it this way instead. We're gonna right click it. There's our system option that we are wanting. We're gonna want a Windows update. We should see settings that have been configured through group policy. I've been set to automatically. Why is this set to automatically install updates? It's supposed to set to just download. That's kind of weird. Manage by. I don't think it's supposed to quite do that, but I literally just created this. I wonder if it didn't get added over here or something. What are these trying to tell me? Oh, yeah. Tools. Okay, so enabled. And this was all for... Yeah, that should have been set up. I wonder if... Let me check something over here real quick. I just had another idea. I'm pretty sure it should already be set up, but it caused me to wonder. No, it's set up there. Full DOM1 local. Yep. Active Directory, users and computers. What happened to my... Desktop. Huh. Oh, no, it's right here. It's right here. Strange. Oh well. Oh, no, here we are. Here we are. This is why. I should have remembered. Didn't even think about this. We need to go to command prompt. Here we go. This is why it wasn't working. It hasn't applied the update yet, so we need to force it to. So we'll just open up our command prompt. We need gp update / force. Now it'll update our policy. This is why. Okay, alright. And this will cause the computer to apply group policies and download and apply them immediately. There it is. See, this is what we're managed by your system administrator. That's what we are needing. Alright, that's everything for this update. If you have update video, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks. Bye.